Nurse Lewis, I think it would be beneficial to conduct an educational program for parents on common childhood illnesses.
That's a great idea, Dr. Mihira. Many parents may have questions or concerns about their children's health.
We can cover topics such as common childhood infections, vaccinations, and when to seek medical attention. We can also provide information on healthy eating, exercise, and sleep habits.
How can we reach a wider audience?
We can distribute flyers and posters throughout the community. We can also collaborate with local schools and community centers to promote the program.
What format should the program take, Dr. Mihira?
We could offer a series of workshops or presentations on different topics related to child health. We could also provide handouts and resources for parents to refer to after the program.
Mihira, I want to start by saying that I truly understand how concerning it can be to see more hair than usual in your brush or on the shower floor. Please know that you are not alone in this experience. Hair fall is an incredibly common issue that many people face at various points in their lives. It's often our body's way of signaling that something is out of balance. There are several common reasons for this. For some, it can be genetic, a predisposition we inherit. For many others, it's closely linked to our lifestyle and health. Significant stress, whether physical or emotional, can shock the system and push hair into a shedding phase. Hormonal changes, such as those after pregnancy or related to thyroid conditions, are also very frequent culprits. Sometimes our bodies are missing key nutrients like iron or certain vitamins, which are essential for strong, healthy hair growth. Even environmental factors like seasonal changes or the water quality can play a role. The important thing to hold on to is that for the vast majority of these causes, hair fall is not permanent and can be successfully managed. Mihira, by identifying the specific root cause for you, we can create a targeted plan that may include dietary adjustments, stress management techniques, or specific treatments. With the right care and a little patience, we can work together to help your hair return to its natural, healthy cycle. You've taken the first important step by seeking advice, and we will navigate this path together.